Now, so we have to get these documents all onto Blackboard for tomorrow's test, all 30 of them. So if you go to my BB, and then exams, midterm. So these are where the students will find. I've made 4 groups, so 30 students. So I think there would be 7 copies in each group, and 9 in one of them. 7 in 3 and 9 in 4 in Group D. So, okay, so for example, the first one, you just click this, edit, and then you're gonna put the first 6 here. So I mean, I just go into what I have done. This isn't right, of course. Right, so you go to your APA versions that I sent you. Oh, not the whole thing, no. So I want it separate to that, so it's going to be this one, okay, and then I can add another one. You should be able to add one to the first one's going to be 7, right? So the first 3 will be ABC will have 7. 1, 4. Of course, I only have the 15. Okay, so you'll have 7 in that group. The next thing you gotta do is go to the attendance sheet. So I'm just writing instructions here, you don't have to write this. So just take the names as an order. So Farah, I think it's Farah Al-Faisal. And then the next student, let's say it's Noor, whatever her name is, equals 2. Okay, like that. And list 7 students, right? So the next one all the way to the first 7 students in this box, and you might have to drag that box just a bit. And then you click submit in that, okay? So obviously this is all wrong, so I'm going to remove them. So if you make a mistake, you can, let's see, you just uploaded a wrong one or something. You can click there. And I'm not going to have this. It will look like this, okay? Not sure it is Farah that's first. Okay, so you need this instruction in all of the boxes. I think I have put them in all the boxes. Okay, so when you go to Group B, yeah, here we are. So you'll be starting with student number 8. So it'll be the 8th person on the attendance sheet. That'll be alphabetical order, I think. And also the 8th APA version. Okay, so it's going to be number 8. So hopefully the students won't know. I was thinking even of mixing them up again, because they might find out that the one that's consecutive to them is actually the same. And they could, they could find that out. So if you fancy mixing it up even more, that's fine. But it makes it a little more complicated. So for example, you could put the first 7, you could make 2 number 7, 3 number 6, 4 number 5, 3 number 4, and 2 number 1, whatever. Whatever you think. Okay, so it's kind of complex with the labeling. Sorry, it's just it takes so long to make a version. I don't have time to make 30 versions. It killed me to make 15, and it's such a small part of my overall day that I just can't devote more time. But thank you so much. If you can be any help, just do it simple as you can. That's fine. Thank you. Bye bye.